Hey guys, it's Amy. Thank you for watching. Today's video is going to be my April Ipsy bag unbagging, and I already got rid of the pink bag that it came in the mailer. I threw that away already, but this is this month's bag. It has cute little butterflies all over it and metallic corners and a nice purple lavender back to it. It's really cute. I could see myself using it for an actual clutch, you know. So if you want to see what I got inside, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is not the first time I've done this video. I had lipstick on my teeth the first time during the whole thing. Yeah, it was awesome. When I looked in the mirror afterward and I was like, oh, it's like on my two front teeth, like there was just a lot of lipstick because I had eaten dinner and I retouched it, and yeah. So anyway, the first thing that I got in my Ipsy bag, which first of all, Ipsy is a subscription service. It is $10 a month. You get a bag. These are some of the past bags. This was February's. It was like a gym fitness theme. And then this was last month's. And it came with 2 little markers to color in your bag. So you can give them different hair and faces and do whatever you want. And those are just a couple of them. So this is this month's, and the first thing that I got is from Glamour. It has a rose and stars on it, and it's like the perfect blending brush. It's the perfect tapered blending brush. It's about the same as the e.l.f. crease brush, which I happen to have right here, and those, I mean, they look very similar to each other. I always grab one of these e.l.f. crease brushes when I place an e.l.f. order. I just get one because they're only $3 and they're amazing to have around. So I'm glad to get this one, and I've heard of Glamour dolls, so I mean, I've never heard anything bad about them. So yeah. The next item is from Paula Dorf. It is a bronzer in the shade Bora. And since I've already done this video, I already have a swatch of it on my hand. And it's really nice because it's not too ashy, but it's not too warm either. It's just a really good, it's a good contour color. Wow, my voice got like really high-pitched and weird just then. I don't know, I think I'm going to try it for contour, especially because it's smaller and the contour brush will fit in better. But I don't know. I'll try it as a bronzer too, just because. And Paula Dorf is cruelty-free, if I didn't say it. I don't know if I did. I do know that they're cruelty-free. This next brand, I don't know if they're cruelty-free, and I'm going to have to look before I use it. It's from H2O Plus Beauty. It's the Oasis Hydrating Treatment. If you can see it. There we go. It just keeps wanting to focus on my face because I have it to autofocus face instead of like autofocus on whatever's in front of the camera. So I need to change that. This is clinically proven to hydrate immediately and soften skin. And I thought it was a moisturizer, but it really is a treatment. It scared the crap out of me when I opened it up, and it came out blue. Yeah, it came out blue, and then this right here is the treatment when it's on my hand before I spread it out. But it feels almost like you're putting aloe vera on your hand. It's not just a moisturizer, which is what I thought it was. So if this isn't cruelty free, I'm going to give it to my daughter because she's about out of her Origins moisturizer, so it's not a complete loss when I don't get cruelty-free items in my bag or my BoxyCharm, because I can give them to her or a friend or donate it or whatever. So I'm still getting way more value for, you know, what I spent. Let's see what else is in here. Well, a card is in here, and it's telling you what the theme is. The theme is Social Butterfly, and if it'll focus, there we go. It says, fact, life's too short and your makeup looks too good to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. So instead, we challenge you to be your best self. Have your best spring and RSVP, yes, to everything that comes your way. Find us on Facebook so you can get social with other Ipsters. Hashtag Ipsy Social Butterfly. Alright, so I went through that bag fast. I only have one item left that I know is cruelty-free, so I can use it. It's from Ciate, London, and it's their Starstruck limited edition dual-ended eyeliner. This end is a felt tip eyeliner, and the other end is a stamp, which you may have noticed I have stars on my hand. Well, that's what the stamp is, which is really cute for around festival time. I mean, I'm not personally going to be using it, but, you know, on my face like that. I'm not going to any festivals or anything, but it's just fun, and I don't know. I'm glad to have a felt tip liquid liner, because the ones that I have, I only have brush tip ones. So I have the Kat Von D tattoo liner, which is like a hybrid, but it's still brush tip. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this bag. Just for the coffee scrub alone, that is just amazing. And it's such a pretty bronzer, and I'll be checking on this H2O hydrating treatment and see if I can use it or not. I have a great blending brush. You can never have too many blending brushes. So yeah, if you're interested in Ipsy, I will leave a link and information about it down below in the description box, and you can sign up if you would like to. I will leave my referral link, but if you don't feel comfortable giving me points, which I completely understand, then you can just go to ipsy.com and I will link that as well. So anyway, this is a shorter video of mine, but I'm done. The first one took almost the full 20 minutes, but this one, because my camera only records in 20-minute intervals, just because I don't really know why. It's stupid, but I have only been going for 10 minutes and 12 seconds, so yeah, this is going to be a shorter video of mine, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and either way, hit the notification bell. I was like already ahead in my mind thinking bell, and so when I said way, it started to come out well. Anyway, yeah, hit the notification bell because YouTube is being stupid right now. So, oh, I'm getting really tired all of a sudden after eating. I'm getting like that sleepy, like I need to take a nap, but I can't because I have to edit so I can get a video up for you guys today. So share this also if you would like to, and I hope you're having a good day or night, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Peace out.